All right, welcome back, everybody. Hope everybody had a great 3-day long holiday weekend. I know I certainly did, so I'm trying to get into groove again. Let's take a look at a couple stocks here. First one, IGT. Okay, IGT. As you can see, market made that new high, 52-week high here in just the last eight or so days. Right, back to the 200 moving average. We're at the lower end of this range now in an overall uptrend, right? Bias is still up. All right, so this is how I'm going to look to potentially play it tomorrow. If the market is able to come back up and trade through where it opened, that's where I would be looking to buy, as a penetration up through today's open. Okay, so let's take a look at this a little closer. So market opened up at 26.18, traded down to 25.30, closing at 25.64. So what I would need to see is I would need to see the market trade up through the open. Again, the open was 26.18, the high of the day was 26.29, so about a 5-cent penetration up through the open of 26.18 would take us to 26.23. I'd be looking to trade 26.23, and if that is hit, then my initial catastrophic stop would actually be below the low of the day by 5 cents. All right, that's how I'd play that. So something a little different. Okay, I'd have to trade up through that price. Okay, closed here. So I don't care where it opens. As long as it doesn't open up through the open, I'd be looking to trade up through it with the stop, right? ISL, below the low. Let's take a look at Baidu. I think the last time I put together a video, I was looking to buy this market up through the 20 seconds high. Market never took out that high. Instead, right here, we made a lower high and a lower low. Next day, a higher high, higher low. Then on Friday of last week, higher high and higher low again, barely. So not looking to do anything there, but look at what we got today. An inside bar, right? The high is lower than Friday's high, and the low is slightly higher than Friday's low. So we've got an inside vertical bar. So I'd be looking to buy call options once the underlying trades up through 245.04. So I'd like to see at least a 20-cent penetration, 245.24 or higher. Then I'd be looking to buy call options. I would go minimum 2 full months out, and I would go 1 strike in the money. That's how I would trade Baidu. And if we get that, if we get the penetration by the market trading up through it, then you're going to use the underlying as a stop, not on the option. So once the underlying trades down, if the market, so if we get filled, so once we buy the call option, as we trade up through Tuesday's high, right? The stop would be below these lows. I'd go clear below these lows. Might even give it more room below that low. Because remember, options are more forgiving. We're 2 full months out, minimum 2 full months out. So actually I would go, today's May 29th, May, June, July. I'd do the August. Okay, I'd do the August expiration. 1 strike in the money as we take out the high of Tuesday. Okay, and let's take a look at the overall market. Okay, overall market is very dicey. We're not seeing any trend. Obviously, long-term trend is up, but as we'll all agree, we are in a trading range, right? We're starting to coil even further, right? We broke down a bit today, but we recovered. Now, the ADS is the continuous contract, the continuous night and day session, right? So we're consolidating in the midst of an overall uptrend, right? let's take a look at the Russell 2000. I mean, look at this. So the Russell 2000 in the last week has made new highs, right? Made on the 22nd. So definitely not in alignment with the S&P 500, okay? The Dow looks more like the S&P there, and the NASDAQ, we're in a tight range right in here, okay? And look at bonds. Bonds today really shot up, okay? So for those of you that are in our Titan or our Synergy program, you know, you're holding TMF, TLT, I mean, market's just taken off. So today was a big, big up day. Okay, so there you have it. If you got any questions, you know how to reach out to me. Have a great day. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye.